Now I'm gonna wait. This person's talking about buy. That's why I turned those off. And I was eyeing that in the previous video. I was eyeing that, which is crazy. I eyed that. I saw it. So we'll wait. I know I'm in drawdown again, but I'm gonna actually wait now. Now I'm gonna wait. This person's talking about buy. That's why I turned those off. You might be right, but I still want to stick to my analysis, even though I was wrong about the dollar. You might be actually too late, because look, oh wow, look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. That sucks for him. Oh my God. That sucks. He said bye. Oh my God. Oh my God. Did you just see that? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh shit. Yo. Oh man. Dang. I should have gotten well, shoot, GU. Whoa. Dang, man. You see that? Oh, look at that. You see? This is why you go with your analysis. That's exactly why you go with your analysis. Look at gold, still doing its thing slowly. Yo, that's crazy. Gold, what are you doing? Come on. Ain't no way everything went and you're still standing in one spot. Yo, dang though, that guy said buy gold now, and I mean buy euro now, and then shot. Oh man, and look at that. Look at that. It went straight for liquidity right down here. Oh my God. All right, guys. Welcome back to another video. It's just a market review, basically about what took place and what transpired yesterday. Um, Yesterday was crazy. It was a movie. And let me just tell you, I couldn't believe that. We had a winner and a loser. We had a winner last night. I saw this AOY right here, area interest, and price rallied up to that right before the second news event, which was at 4:30, and it completely dropped and took liquidity everywhere. Everywhere it took. So that was just it was just crazy. I couldn't believe it. Um, let's try not to be like him ever. Like whoever that person was or she, whoever that person was, period. I am so sorry. But that was like a learning experience, and I always say that I'm gonna stick to my analysis. You probably stuck to yours. But I have to say, I felt sorry for you and whoever took that trade. That was horrible. That was horrible. And there was so much. Look at how much liquidity points were under for a news event. You, that was it was like a that was a given. That was given. We already look. This was the last liquidity sweep, taking liquidity here. All of this. So the next draw on liquidity was above, which means the next draw on liquidity has to be below. And you, I don't know. I want to know what you saw. And I'm not putting you down. I'm not talking bad about you. Because we all see things different when it comes to this market. And even I had a losing trade yesterday, which was gold. I expected gold to actually fall back down to around this zone at least, if not go for this this structure here. And the reason why yeah, this sell side liquidity right here. And the reason why is because price took the high, came and took these lows. And I was expecting price to come at least to this level here and then go up. But obviously it didn't, and we had a losing trade. We're gonna win sometimes, we're gonna lose sometimes, but at least we did not lose like how that person lost. And the dollars here, that's crazy. Dollar came to this piece right here. Um, it's lunchtime, so probably the 2 p.m. session. We'll probably be able to get in on a position to take it back up if it is going to go back up. Um, that was just completely wild. Uh, I know we are waiting for oil to do its thing. Um, actually did its thing. So I'm gonna wait for it to come back down and see what we can get into. But as of now, during London, I'm only gonna trade the euro or the GB or GBP pairs because we were waiting for something like this to happen yesterday, and I saw it for GU. I saw it for GU, but I didn't take it because I was in gold and I want to go to fall to the depths of hell, just like how that fell to the depths of hell. And this is also like another time that we was right about GJ. We could have been still in from up here, which is crazy, and still held it down. Um, I'm gonna see that there's gonna be some consolidation here for today, and we're probably gonna have it rally either back up to here or this is a 30-minute time frame, so we might see this area here. Yep, we might see this area here. So I'm still in shock off of yesterday for that person because I felt bad. I'm not gonna lie, I really did. So price might actually just rally back up there, and then we'll see a breakdown of some sort for it to go lower because that's a big break of structure right here. This is a major break, structure break, and let's see. Probably there's a lot of liquidity there. It didn't take, it took, I went here. I probably can go a little lower or maybe a lot lower. Let's go on. It probably wants to come here or here. But yeah, we're gonna that's another thing. So after trading last night, I decided that I'm gonna do a few things differently. Only trade the EU and GU pairs, GJ EJ pairs during the London hours. And then if just so happen to wake up for, excuse me, New York, I'll get in on US 30 and NAS. But yeah, let's see what's the possibility where NAS can go. NAS can go to this level here or even here. This is sticking out a lot. And NAS is actually moving pretty fast. So plus this kind of induced this. So this one is looking a little bit more, you know, flavorful. I would like to get a taste of that. And the same thing here. Price is not moving that fast, and that's fine. Um, yeah, I'm seeing this area up here or this area up here. That's what I'm seeing now, but that was sad. Um, let's look at gold and see where we went wrong, because we need to figure it out. And sometimes when you look at price on a higher time frame than what you normally look at it, you tend to see it. So let's let's zoom in. Okay, so we had this it was going up, yep, yep, and it took liquidity here. I guess you can, but this will, oh, liquidity here, liquidity there, liquidity here, and then news shot it up like that. So yeah, I see where I didn't stay up. Like I said, any New York pair, any New York session pair, I am not going to trade that. I am not going to trade that during London. Kind of learned my lesson with that. Let's see. EJ. EJ fell to the depths. Eh, that was basically for this trade that we caught. Oh yeah, so if you're part of the Telegram group, let me see. Can I undo that? Yeah. So all right. So let's start off with the first trade. So the first trade took place pretty early. Um, I seen this level here. It was three coming down, and I seen that this came right into it, and I said, all right, um, this could be TP1 here, but that was actually just the AOY for this this sell off, which was crazy. Uh, oh, sorry, excuse me. Um, that sell off. These were potential targets that I saw. But price wasn't moving fast enough or hard enough for it to come up here. But when I looked at GJ almost basically respected what we was looking for. It if I'm sure if I go into a higher time frame, I would be able to see. Yes, you see, this is why we need to go into. We need to stick to higher time frames. Um, this was a good Asia trade. You know, coming down lower than this, and yeah, look, hitting there. That's all right. And going back up, it's fine. But during this time, which was 3:30, that was the time that we needed to see. And price literally tapped into that and fell down. And I'm sure probably for EJ we'll probably see the same thing. It went into a fair value gap, barely, not even. Let me see. It literally just took liquidity and fell down. Oh, it did go into. It went into the fair value gap on a 2 hour time frame and fell. But I wouldn't have seen that because I wouldn't have looked at it on the 2 hour time frame for that fair value gap. That's crazy. Let me look at it at 1 hour again. Yeah, I wouldn't have done it. I wouldn't have. It's all good. It's all good because we're like I said, we're learning soon. We're gonna get a down pack. But another thing that helps is especially on the 15 minute, right? Let me go to a pair that we would trade during London, and I'm gonna turn on that. Okay, for a quick second, I'm gonna hide the drawings. Now, if you take a look at what price does, it goes for a zone in the on the previous day in one of the previous main sessions that it flows with. So, for example, like this here, the previous day in one of the previous sessions, it took the low, literally hit this order block, and it went up higher for the rest of the day. And this hit this order block. This hit this order block and fell down. Let's go to another one. This went into this order block here and went up. Sometimes with ICT, he was saying that it'd be like 30 pips most times, but it can't be over 40. And that's exactly what happened there. Sorry. And the same is it happens like almost every day. Almost every day. It's just we need to be a little bit more. Well, I need to be a little bit more on edge when I see certain things, and that's something that I can admit. Previous day low. It swipes the low, hits this. Look, it's not. We make it look hard, but it's really not. Like even that. Actually, I'm gonna go with the last down candle before the up move, and you see that, right? It's blue, but it's actually supposed to be, well, it can be whatever it wants to be, but that's what it is. The last down candle before the up move, and here it is. Here we are, and the same. You see how we came down, right? Here, there's a breaker here, signaling that breakdown. What time is that? That's 11. Easy entry and breaks down. Then we have price break take us to the upside. Okay, my computer just froze. My computer, yeah. All right. Right now, it's in a zone right here. I see. Let's see if it's, yeah. This is what I see. Um, I'll probably get in on that. Probably gonna probably gonna sell it. Probably sell it now. Right now, I am trading a demo, so do not do not copy me. I had to say that. I am not a financial advisor, nor am I financial professional. Whatever you see me do, please do not do. And if you do it, please know that you're doing it at your own risk. I am not responsible. So yeah, saying that I know you should enter up here, but entering right here in the same trade within the same trade. Enter. So 1 to 3.5 risk to reward. So we'll see about that. And this right here would be the next area of interest. Targeting probably the low, maybe. But yeah, that's what I see so far. Um, down, down, down. Let me see. ZGJ and GJ and EJ, they're soft right now. But I would only, I don't know. I'm not. I usually don't even trade at this time because usually my trade would be completely done. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna. I don't think I would count this one. But let's see anyway. I was good. This was a good review. It's, basically, we went over what not to do in the beginning. Um, Second thing is that we went over our what I'm gonna do from now on, trading only trading European pairs during European time and trading New York pairs during New York time, including indexes and metals and all that stuff. Um, UJ can work during those hours because of it's leaving the Asia session, so it could work. Um, dang, let me see. Wow, see when you put this on, you can actually see exactly what happened when it happened. Like for example, this is a 30-minute time frame, and for New York, 30-minute time frame. Anywhere in this section would have been good. Probably hour time frame probably would have made a yeah. Hour time frame makes it look better. 2 hour time frame makes it look even better. 4 hour, nah, not really. 15 minute. Damn, this way here would be considered the last up candle before the down move. And still it still barely made it to that. It didn't go above, but it went in the zone, which is good. So yeah, that still would have been a good entry point. And there's a breaker here too. Clean, clean. It doesn't matter. A trade is a trade. And once it hits a zone, it's up to you if you have the edge good enough to trade that trade. Again, 30 minute time frame is probably the better one, the best one for that trade. It's gonna probably pull back too. If we go to a smaller time frame, we could probably see, yeah. Let's go on a higher time frame first. Oh yeah. So 50% of that is gonna be like right here. You're going to 15-minute time frame, which is closer to the intraday time frame, and we can see that it will be most likely this area it will pull back to in order to continue down. And 50% of that is literally here, so I can see it. All right. Um, that'll probably happen during Asia. It could happen or in Asia, yeah. But yeah, basically, what I want to do is start seeing the possibilities where price can go after, and so far that is actually dropping. Um, anything else? Mm, it's just crazy because this just took liquidity and then fell down. And even hit that. Let's go down one more. If we can't get a that's what I'm gonna do also. If I can't get a good entry point between the 15 to the 1 hour, like 15, 30 minute 1 hour time frames, then I am not taking that trade. I'm not even trying to look for it because that was GA and I like GA more than EA. So I'm gonna just look at that. And EA EA didn't even, I don't know. It doesn't make sense to me. It doesn't make sense. If it was if we was here, and I know that this right here, that would have been good because at least we know that we're in a downward trend. Do we? Uh, yeah. Oh, this last point was, are we in an upward trend? That didn't even take the low. This failed the high though. This failed. This failed. This failed. I mean, I guess that would have been a good idea. That would have been a good trade idea. I'm not used to trading EA and GA really, but I have those there just to look at. Um, let's go back to EJ again. EJ was just like the luck of the strike, lucky strike. GJ was more of the, yeah. All right, so yeah, that's basically it. Um, so we're approaching smaller time frames. Yeah, smaller time frames are no go anymore. I'm not doing that. Not doing that. Even when I'm practicing, not doing smaller time frames. We gotta look for stuff that makes more sense. Right now, this whole thing makes more sense. Yeah, so we are doing that. Okay, so DXY, let's take a last look. DXY should be trying to. I was consolidating. I will be more interested in it once it gets to this level. Let's look at it on a 30-minute. I think that's the reason why. And yeah, the hour time frame shows that it's gonna be there. I'll just put the GAN box in there at the same time. But yeah, wow. Okay, so excuse me. Ugh, I am tired. I need to take my butt back to bed. You guys, I hope you guys have a safe day and happy trading.